Hello and welcome to my dining room. So this will be the dining room. There's going to be two chandeliers. The builders of the house only provide one. That's why there's this weird chandelier on the right side of the room. But there will be two, and be like a big table and chairs and pictures over there. And I'm really excited about this room. So it'll be my hosting party room when I have big dinners. So we're right now standing in our dining room. We have made some additions, but we're also still going to be making some changes. So we did this really cool coffered ceiling. There's going to be two chandeliers coming out of each octagon. We did add these square trims around the wall, but I decided I don't like them, so they're actually going to be coming out, and it's just going to be a bare wall. Hello and welcome to my dining room. So today I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about some of the pieces that I have in here and how I came up with this design in here. So my favorite colors have always been, as you know, black and gold. And I think the first thing that I found in here was these chandeliers. Fell in love with them. They have this like white and gold glass pieces in here, and I just thought it was so beautiful and kind of went off from there. We added this beehive again look in the ceiling. I wanted, some kind of centerpieces for the chandeliers. I knew I wanted two chandeliers because I wanted a really big table. I have a big family. My brothers have kids and the family is only getting bigger, so we always just need an even bigger table. And I just love the way that two chandeliers look above a table. And so we came up with this cool ceiling design, and then I also wanted to get it faux painted. So it has this like marbly goldish look inside the crown molding. And then I found this table. It's super cool. It's a custom table and it has gold leaf accents. When we saw this table like at the store, it was definitely not my style. It was like this gray wood color. The only thing I liked was these acrylic legs, and I was lucky enough to be able to customize it. And I got this black lacquered top with a gold trim. Then I had to find chairs, and I actually found these on Wayfair, and they're black velvet with this gold metal frame. And I knew I wanted something on the back of the chair so that when you walk into the house, you see not just a regular black chair, you see some kind of like color and dimension. So I absolutely fell in love with these. I love the square angles on them. It makes them look modern. At my other house, in my dining room, I had these like grand chairs on the ends, and I loved how that looked and I wanted to get it again. And so I found this chair. This is one of my favorite furniture designers. His name is Christopher Guy. He makes just the coolest pieces, and I customized this chair as well. I chose this fabric and the color of the wood on the chair. This is also gold leaf. So we have gold leaf on the table and then gold leaf on the chairs. So these are just some accent pieces that I bought from a designer called Michael Aram. He has a lot of really cool pieces for the kitchen, for accessories, like my fork and knife set. Michael Aram, he's awesome. If you don't know him, they sell him online or Bloomingdale's and Neiman Marcus. The next piece after I got this table, I think one of the first things was I found this wallpaper, and I absolutely fell in love, and I wanted to add an accent wallpaper underneath the trim. So instead of white wainscoting, which is like a more traditional, more common piece to have like in a dining room, I wanted to, of course, spice it up. So I found this really cool, it's almost like a gold zebra wallpaper. And then came this amazing work of art, and this is the Phillips collection. So I have a bunch of their items. Again, one of my favorite furniture designers. They have really cool furniture, they have really cool art, they have really cool mirrors and wall art and just so many different things. Then I found this awesome artist on Instagram. I saw that she does these super cool paintings, and I contacted her and was able to get my own, and I told her which colors I wanted in there. I wanted gold, I wanted some silver, black, some whites, and then obviously the crystals. I love crystals, and she does it in a way where it just like looks so sick. Like it just like they come out, it's 3D, and I absolutely love it. We will tag her if you're interested in seeing more of her art. One thing that I had the most trouble finding is a good credenza. I wanted the height to be a certain height, and I wanted the width to be a certain, because I have this big table and I couldn't find anything to be higher than the chairs so that when you're looking from the other side, you still see the credenza. I decided to design my own. The guy who created my kitchen and my bar and my office, he is amazing and so fun to work with. All my vanities I designed with him. So I drew out this credenza that I created in my head, and he made it come to life. I wanted to include roses because, I have the rose theme in my house. I don't know if they're gonna stay there forever. The cool thing is you can just take them out, you can put them in, so when they're out, it would just be like this piece of glass with nothing inside, and it looks cool like that too. And then I got these really fun door handles that are like a piece of like a golden nugget. So when designing the credenza, I wanted to match with the table, so I had it, painted black, but also we added an acrylic leg to match the acrylic legs on the table. And if anybody needs a custom credenza, you know who to call. We can make it happen. These accessories some of them are from Home Goods, like these couple things. When I moved in, I just wanted something quick, and I found this, and it's gold and sparkly. This is something that is easily changeable. This flower is also from Home Goods. This is from Naples, Florida. So I found this Versace piggy bank, or whatever it's called, head, and this was actually on my way to Thailand at one of the airports, I think possibly Germany. This is a little piece of Thailand. And then these other two items, this I bought when I was in Aruba before I even started anything on this house. But I knew again that I was gonna have golds and whites, and I thought this was such a fun looking vase. So I ended up buying it, and my brother, Arson, and my sister-in-law, Lily, got me this to match. And then I added just a little fake plant to add some color in here. This came here, and I think it looks awesome. And then the curtains. I fell in love with this because this is almost like a silvery velvet, and then it has like gold dots, almost like a giraffe or some kind of animal, or a cheetah. We made it one side this gold, and there's this like sparkly trim, and then the rest of it is that print. And then this space was a little empty, and I found this cute little bench, and I just added some pillows. I think eventually I might change out the pillows, but for now they're staying. This is like a cool studded pillow I found on Wayfair. This is from Home Goods, this is from Wayfair. The cool thing about the wine shelf that we have created is it's visible and accessible from both here, the dining room, and the breakfast room on the other side. So you can grab a wine. I have it facing all the bottles facing the other way because I feel that we look from that side more often. I just feel like I'm in a restaurant. The molding here matches all the molding in the kitchen. So it's like a custom design that we came up with. It has the gold trimming, and then it has the gold trim up there. Just perfectly matches with the kitchen. And I brought that in here, which also matches the dining room. That's basically my dining room. I hope you guys enjoy the episode, and if you have any questions, let me know. Flawless.